Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Bitcoin as Bitcoin prices start to plunge and people are getting fearful of where the price of Bitcoin is going from here. It has been a very interesting day, at one point seeing Bitcoin as low as $81,000. This has really caused some main fear. We're seeing a monthly low over here and things are looking very, very interesting. We're gonna go ahead and do a deep dive on what's been going on with Bitcoin this week, where we see the price going from here, and then price prediction closer to the end. That's like something you're interested in. Make sure you like this video and continue watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos just like this. Guys, crypto guard market has taken a massive hit, and there's been a lot of fear in the air. Where is crypto going from here? Let's take a look. Before we continue, I gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. There's actually a download link in the description box below. Buy and swap Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the best way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. So definitely check this one out. Again, link in the description box below. Now back to going on with what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's start things off with the price action. On the day, we're actually up 1%, but like I said earlier in the 24-hour, we are lows as 80%. We also see this report out, Binance to convert SAFU funds reserved to Bitcoin. Binance, let's just open the whole thing. Okay, we're gonna have to read from here. Binance announced that it will adjust its asset structure from its SAFU funds, gradually converting its original 1 billion stablecoin reserve into Bitcoin reserves, with the conversation to the conversion to be complete within 30 days, as that was some nice renewed optimism causing the price to reverse. But up until this point, there's been a lot of fear. I got some text messages this morning asking me, Umar, if this is the end. And quite frankly, I don't think it's the end, but it just goes to show how quick and how volatile the market seems to be. And it's been very hard to really find a safe point in the markets, a real stable center ground. But again, things start going both ways. Okay, now in terms of like continuing on the bearish news, over $1 billion out of ETFs as Bitcoin loses 84k support. Does the weekly close stay above 80,000? Well, it looks like we are going to close, well, we did close above 80 and we're already back to 84,000. So again, that seems to be a decent support level. Like, even though we lost it temporarily, we were able to regain it very quickly. Yes, Bitcoin bull case, weekly close above 80k, reclaim 84, squeeze back to 88 to 92 bear case. The weekly close below 80, liquidity sweep to 75, 72 next. Market psychology, ETF selling equals smart money, de-risking, retail still buys dips, higher volatility zone equals fake outs likely. Bitcoin loses 84k as 1 billion exits ETFs. 80k is now the last weekly support. Above equals bounce to 80k, 88k. Below equals drop to 75k to 72k. Volatility just started. That seems to be a kind of psychological zone we sit in, but the fact that we closed above 84k could actually be very bullish and could be a very strong possibility we reclaim 84 or 89 very, very soon. Also, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, check out this altcoin I've been covering very closely, Bitcoin Hyper. This one seems to be a pretty phenomenal opportunity for those interested. This one is called Bitcoin Hyper. They are bringing L2 technology Bitcoin to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and more effective. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scalability, and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. This one has raised over $31 million in their pre-sale, and in 1 day and 16 hours actually set to increase their price. Bitcoin Hyper will unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions, which unleashes the true power of Bitcoin to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, more effective. Love the wallet, explorer, bridge, staking, memes, and more. Bring that speed and technology to Bitcoin, and it's a very, very cool project. Definitely check this one out. I'll be linking in the description box below. If you're interested in buying, buy on the website before the timer runs out so you get it at a lower price. That way you lock in some gains before the project goes live. Now, guys, back to Bitcoin. We're seeing Bitcoin making headlines as everyone's kind of confused. Where does it go? We see here's how Elon Musk, SpaceX, Tesla merger could impact 20,000 Bitcoins. I don't really imagine they're probably going to stockpile even more. And we see in the crypto side of things, everyone seems to be watching crypto. Anytime there seems to be a small dip, it just causes a whole lot of frenzy. Just in Jack Dorsey, Cash App, and Square will now display stats with a B symbol, so that's pretty cool. We see gold market cap plunges $5 trillion in 48 hours. That's 3x the total market cap of Bitcoin. Silver plunges in a massive crash. So we've seen the entire market got hit. It wasn't something exclusive to Bitcoin, which is actually still bullish for Bitcoin. And if anything, might make you want to even double down. Everyone's watching very closely. Smart money starting to buy, guys. We're even seeing Stake and Shake Bitcoin bets fast food giant double downs with a bold $5 million purchase. See, Stake and Shake announced a major $5 million Bitcoin purchase on February 5th, 2025. This strategy acquisition is announced over their X, which just shows more bullish factor Bitcoin and more bullish factor the market is still starting to stabilize and still very, very interested in Bitcoin. But guys, like always, remember, this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. If you're interested in watching more content like this, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, peace.